Galnet News Update, 16th of May 3309. Aegis doesn't know if they are hive ships, motherships, or command centres for the invasion, but it is sure that we must defeat the giant Thargoid structures that have been found at the centre of each of the 8 Maelstroms, and that defeating them will be humanity's greatest challenge yet. Aegis's head and director of research, Professor Tesro, described the concentric spheres of the Maelstrom. Inside the first caustic cloud, there is the energy wave, then a ring of asteroids, the reason for which is unexplained. The asteroids are not particularly hard to navigate through, although there are occasional Thargoid interceptors, scouts and hunters. And then, in the centre, there's what Tesro described as a gargantuan Thargoid structure, bigger even than a Coriolis starport. As LCU No Fool Like One of Canon Research points out, these structures may be similar in layout to Thargoid surface sites, but they are at least twice the size. They really are huge, bigger than any other single structure in the known galaxy. Orion University's Seamus Madigan was unwilling to say what these titanic structures might be. The word mothership implies some kind of fleet carrier, which may not adequately describe their purpose. Although smaller Thargoid vessels have been observed flying into the centre of the structures and through other access points. Calling them hive ships would imply distinct communities for each Maelstrom, ruled over by the alien equivalent of a queen bee. There is no evidence yet that the Maelstroms are run by distinct communities in that way, and Professor Madigan notes that INRA's speculation over the structure of Thargoid society was never confirmed by practical observation. Further observation will be needed, but Aegis's best current assessment is that the structures are command centres, controlling the Thargoid fleet as it spreads out from each Maelstrom, expanding through human space. Professor Tesro, saying she finds the architecture of these gigantic spaceships unsettling, is under no doubt that we must defeat them, but finding a way to achieve this defeat will, she says, be our greatest challenge to date.